Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest updates and most exciting rides from the world of automobiles. If you love jaw-dropping machines and future-forward design, you're going to want to stay locked in for this one. Today we're diving into something massive, bold, and completely electrifying, the 2026 Hummer IND. This isn't just any SUV. This is a beast that's been reimagined for the future, built to conquer any terrain while staying clean, mean, and green. At first glance, the 2026 Hummer IND commands attention like no other. It's got that classic Hummer DNA, wide stance, sharp edges, and aggressive body lines. But now it's infused with modern aesthetics and advanced aerodynamics. The front fascia is redesigned with sleek LED strips, and the illuminated Hummer badge gives it a futuristic touch that looks stunning at night. Whether it's city streets or mountain trails, this machine stands out effortlessly. Underneath all that style is serious power. The IND comes with a tri-motor all-electric setup pushing out nearly 100 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horses packed into a zero-emission monster. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.2 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle this size. And thanks to GM's Ultium battery platform, the IND offers a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. That means you're not just going farther, you're going smarter. Now let's talk about the interior, because the Hummer IND doesn't just stop at performance. Step inside and it feels like you're in a luxury spaceship. Premium leather, open-pore wood accents, and a massive curved display that stretches across the dash. The infotainment system is powered by the latest AI-driven interface, fully customizable, and packed with features like real-time terrain detection, voice-activated controls, and even driver wellness tracking. It's not just a car, it's a command center. What really sets the 2026 Hummer IND apart is its adaptive terrain system. It includes CrabWalk 2.0, which lets the SUV move diagonally at low speeds, perfect for tricky trails or tight urban corners. Combine that with active air suspension, off-road cameras, and smart torque vectoring, and you've got a vehicle that's just as capable in the wild as it is cruising down the highway. And of course, we can't forget sustainability. Hummer has leaned fully into eco-conscious production with the IND, using recycled materials and renewable energy throughout the manufacturing process. Even the interior fabrics offer vegan options without compromising on comfort or style. So, there you have it. The 2026 Hummer IND is more than just a comeback. It's a revolution. Power, style, intelligence, and responsibility all rolled into one colossal machine. Let us know in the comments what feature blew your mind the most and whether you'd take this beast off-road or keep it shining in the city. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.